Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, where today I'm checking out a 2025 Mako Pro Skiff. This is a 19cc center console. It's up for sale at Bass Pro Shop, and this one, as you see on display, is $49,360. And if you make a 10% deposit, the estimated monthly payment is only $437. That's less than most car payments. This one's powered by the Mercury Pro XS 150 horsepower outboard. And I brought my 4-year-old grandkid along because I figured if this was a boat that I was going to be starting out to get him interested in, why not bring him with me? And I love the layout at the center console because there's a big space where you can put any sort of multifunction display on there. You get drinks holders, you get your Bluetooth stereo. You can see he's got it with the seats. I've got the bolster effect where you're supposed to stand up at it, but you can also sit down as well. This one is equipped with a tilt hydraulic steering, and the stereo package has got two 6-inch speakers. As he pops the seat back up, you can see there's a better arrangement for seating, and there's a cooler underneath here as well. Now remember, this one only measures in at 19 feet 4 inches in length, and she's got a beam at 8 feet, but she's got a maximum personal capacity of 6 people. Now whether that means you want to use it for cruising and you can sit down, like these pop-up seats that we've got on the stern. And there's one on either side, but there's also plenty of room if you keep those things flat, that you've got the casting platform with a non-slip deck. Now I appreciate that this one could do a good detail, but in all fairness to Bass Pro Shop, we have been getting hit hard in this area with storms lately, especially with the outer bands coming through from Hurricane Erin. But if I lift this up, I like the fact that this is a removable train compartment, so you can easily lift this out, clean it out, do whatever you need to do with it. And on the aft, you've got a 26-gallon, that's almost 100 litres bait well, and this has got the Pro Air aeration system. You've got rod holders in the back of the seating at the helm. You get easy access to the electronics, so if you ever want to do any upgrades or installs, you can do so. And then look at the casting platform that we've got on the bow, and you've got those wraparound handles and screen at the helm to make it easier when walking around. In front of the helm, we've also got another seating area, but underneath here is a second aerated live well. This one has got 13-gallon capacity, which is just under 50 litres. It's a really cool setup for a boat of this size. And you can see the drinks holders, and you can see that we've got also a cigarette charger. You've also got rod holders on the side of the console, and then in here, little man will show you, you just twist this to the side and it opens up, and that gives you easy access to all the electrics and electronics. So if you ever want to do any upgrades, repairs, it's easy enough to do on this boat. On the bow, it's got all that non-slip deck material. As you can see, the boat's wet and neither of us had any issue walking around. There's a ton of storage. Now whether you want to use that as storage in general, whether you want to use that as a fish hold, because these are all self-draining compartments. You can lock this one back down in place, and then you've got the center one once he steps back. If I lift this up, just look at the amount of space that's in this one. And it's also got your navigation lights that you can put up as well. And being self-draining, you can fill this with anything you want. You can use it for stowing and seat covers, boat covers. You can use it for storing ice. You can into fishing. You can use inflatable toys that you tow behind it. All sorts of options. And on the bow, this one's rigged if you want to have a trolling motor, and it's also got an anchor well here too. So for a boat that many people will see as a starter boat, this one's really well laid out, really well equipped. And the fact that you can get a boat like this brand new, as you see today, for less than $50,000, and that includes having the Mako 5-year warranty. You're also going to get warranty with that Mercury outboard. I personally think it's a fantastic setup, and it doesn't feel like an entry-level boat. You're going to get plenty of speed, you're going to get plenty of time on the water, and more importantly, you're going to make plenty of memories for somebody like little man. And nice little upgrades also include the fact that the hull has got the pompano silver colour to it, so that way, again, it just helps not have that standard entry-level feel to it. And included with that price is the fact that this one comes with a custom hot dip galvanised tandem axle trailer. It's got dual brakes to it. And I like the way that you can fold that hitch back. Not only do you save walking into it, but it also saves you space if you want to put it in your driveway or garage. So in the description, I'm going to leave a link to this specific boat that was up for sale with Bass Pro Shop, but I'm also going to leave a link to Mako's website. You can check out more information there too. As always, I'd like to thank everybody for their time and watching this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you can leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.